The European Research Night is really special for me because it makes me feel part of a wide community of researchers.
It's a way for people to engage with scholarship in a way that perhaps they wouldn't expect.
This is a good opportunity for promotion of the science.
If you're curious about people, justice and the environment, sociology can help you make a real difference.
It brings science to the public, the general public.
To enjoy a fantastic night with science.
Because it is helping to make health science accessible.
Brings together folks from across the colleges, including STEM subjects, as well as arts and humanities, policy studies, law, and others.
This year, I will compete in the finals of Sumo Science, a really funny outreaching competition where the judges are school students.
This year we're going to try and have a thing called the Tenemetals Listening Post, where people will be able to come along, listen to the tunes, watch your videos, and we've kind of created a slideshow which is about history and the Tenemetals.
So the novelty is related to the new presentations of the research, new workshops, and we're expecting even more audience to attend to the European Researchers' Night.
Through the analysis of social impacts, I help understand how politics affects people's communities.
We will discuss health issues and we will answer questions from the public.
We are going to present our new finding or new achievement that are more involved in the society.
At this year's European Research Night, I will lead a hands-on workshop exploring how ultrasound imaging guides surgical procedures.
So my booth at the ERN in Glasgow is going to present our most recent research into the beliefs by the lay public about whether or not there should be copyright protection in images created with AI.